If you've spent any time on YouTube, you know it's full of an endless sea of boring travel vlogs. And this is another one, with two main differences. One, it's not as good. And two, this one's focused on marathons, so let's go see the Berlin Marathon. This expo is giant, like multiple X-airplane hangars big, with more booths than you can shake the stick at. But be wary for this a la carte race. It does suffer a bit from disorganization for a race so old and prestigious. You gonna break in?
You did it. Here, let's find you.
Okay. Now, do you really think that we flew across the world to get credit for 1/6 of the world major marathon medal? Because you'd be right. Tokyo, New York, London, we'll be seeing you soon. From Berlin, the Swiss and French Alps are just a quick plane or train ride away. We're doing Mont Blanc currently in France, which I would highly recommend. That is, of course, if your legs can handle it pre or post marathon. Bud. Oh my god, my legs are so numb. Time, boys. Feeling good? Yeah. Hey, Brian. It's time to run a marathon. Wake up, buddy. Hello.
Three out of six. Let's get it done. 2, 1. That's why you got naked her face.
Looking good for it. Hurting a little bit, so go my own pace. But that means I am going to lose to the girl dressed as a medieval castle. So there's that. That castle ran a 3:30 marathon. a 3:30 marathon. Ugh.
Here we go, boys. Come on!
Berlin has the best apples I've ever had in my whole life. So, how about them apples? We're at mile 19, about 30 kilometers or so. Universally referred to as the Wall. Somehow this is only the second most infamous wall in Berlin's history. Whew. You're a sight for sore eyes. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Prost. We do a lot more of this very soon. The Berlin Marathon is set to a stunning backdrop, has a forgiving course, and holds a deep history to match the city that surrounds it. It truly is an international race, with people across the world coming together and proudly bearing their colors across the city. The finish even goes to the international embassies. And Germany was kind enough to include the American embassy too. And not to be forgotten.
That's awesome. Who did it?
The Olympic champion is the world record holder. 2:01:40, unofficially there. Brilliant Kipchoge.
His face is on every medal though, so maybe that's all that separates him and me. But what makes this race stand apart as a world major is the people that show up on race day. Personally, my training was plagued with injury, which made this race miserably difficult. But I can't begin to describe the numerous people that shouted encouragement, gave me food and medical supplies, and literally picked me back onto my feet to hobble through the finish, and I loved every painful minute. Anywho, Oktoberfest is the next weekend in Munich, so that's the real show. In an effort to not look like tourists here in Munich, we are wearing lederhosen and riding in a bike tour. And yeah, we're doing great. We blend right in here.